In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Base44 app locally in 2026 with a full local setup. To get started, head over to Base44. This is where you'll access the apps in your workspace and prepare the one you want to work with locally. If your app was originally built inside the online Base44 editor, there's an important concept to understand before moving forward. You'll need to eject or clone that app first so that you can create a local code base. In simple terms, this gives you a version of the app that you can work on outside the browser, which is essential if you want to run it on your own machine and manage the project more directly. Once you're inside Base44, look through the list of available apps and choose the specific application you want to clone. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have several similar projects in your workspace. Taking a moment here helps prevent confusion later when you start editing or testing locally. After selecting the app, open it. This brings you into the app's main area where you can access its controls and begin working with the project itself. From there, click on Edit. This takes you into the editing environment for the app, which is where you can make changes and interact with the project in a more hands-on way. At this point, you can start editing. This is the stage where your local workflow begins to feel more practical because you're now focused on modifying the app itself rather than just browsing your project list. As you edit, it's a good idea to stay organized and keep track of what you're changing, especially if you plan to test different versions of the app locally. You'll also notice the chat box in the editor. In that chat box, you can add your command. This is useful for guiding the editing process and making changes more efficiently inside the Base44 environment. Be as clear as possible with your command so the tool can respond accurately and help you move faster. That's the full setup flow shown here. Go to Base44, clone or eject the app if it was created in the online editor, choose the app you want, open it, click Edit, begin editing, and use the chat box to enter commands as needed. Follow that sequence carefully and you'll have a much smoother experience getting your Base44 app ready to work with locally.